Ladies and gentlemen, we have a 2016 GMC Acadia Denali. White exterior, flawless, virtually flawless as far as I can see. All-wheel drive, Bridgestone Dueler tire, 20-inch chrome rim. Looks super nice on here. There's the back seat, very roomy back seat, all tan leather interior. Rear sunroof, there is a DVD player, of course rear climate control as well. There's the front seats, sunroof, seat controls, there's some steering wheel controls, premium screen with backup camera, climate control, dual front heated and cooled seats, as well as a tap shifter there, tons of storage, OnStar ready, and a Bose audio system. There's the 3.6 liter VVT direct port injection engine, super efficient, tons of power out of this, over 280 horsepower and great on gas. There you have it, folks, the 2016 GMC Acadia Denali all-wheel drive.